Great news! May pa-great news si Cbank sa atin. Yan ang update niya. Oh. You can now get your Cbank physical card for only 99 pesos na lang. Plus, get your card fee back when you use your first ever Cbank card 5 times. Means gagamitin mo siya ng 5 times within 30 days of activation with no minimum spend required. Para ma-enjoy mo yung benefits ni Cbank, ito yung pag may Cbank physical card ka, you can enjoy 1% cashback on purchases up to 1,000 pesos monthly. Enjoy 0% foreign transaction fees when you shop in-store worldwide and get 3% cashback at gas station from June 7 to July 31, 2025. At kung wala ka pang Cbank, you can download your Cbank via App Store, Play Store, and use my referral code MARCH26 na sa screen lang para makakuha ka ng 75 pesos na referral reward. Pero make sure to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days only, and legit, papasok yung 75 pesos galing kay Cbank. Kaya, mas maganda simulan mo yung Cbank journey mo. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.